Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word 365, or the latest version of Microsoft Word. Actually, what I'm going to show you works in all the different versions of Microsoft Word. So I've got a Word document open up here, and now I've got two lines of text written here just for the purpose of this video. So the first line reads, click here to view our RA Solutions YouTube channel. So what I want to do, when I click on that, I want that link to go to our YouTube channel, which is RA Solutions. So what I'm going to do is open up our YouTube channel on Google Chrome. This is our YouTube channel at the moment. I'll opened up on Google Chrome. At the top, what I need to do is copy this link, because this is the link of our YouTube channel here, or the URL as it's called. So you highlight it, right click, copy, go back to the Word document, and in the Word document you highlight the text here. There's a few ways to do this. What I normally do is I right click then and go down to where it says link, and when I click on link, it opens up the insert hyperlink box here. So with four options: link to, existing file or web page, place in this document, create a new document, or email address. What I want to do is I want to go to an existing web page, because the YouTube channel is a web page. So click on that one, and under the address part here, I'll right click and paste the URL of my YouTube channel there, then click on OK, and there we have it. So that now is a hyperlink. Now to click on that hyperlink, obviously it'll give you some information there in the box that's hovering. When you hover over the link, it tells you how to open up that link. To open up the link, what you need to do on your keyboard is keep your hand on the control button and then click on the left mouse button on the mouse to follow that link. And what it should do, it should open up the YouTube channel in your Internet Explorer browser. So there you go, that my YouTube channel is open up here now. So that's a quick way on how to create a hyperlink and link that piece of text to an existing web page. Now what I'm going to show you is how to create a hyperlink, but this time that link will open up a file. So I've got a link here, click here to open a file. So what I do is highlight that piece of text, and I want to make that text into a link, the same format as before, but this time I'm going to open up the insert hyperlink box a different way. So at the top you have the ribbon. Now go to insert, click on insert there. Now what you do is go across to where you've got links. So there's the option for links, and here you've got the link button there. Click on the arrow next to it. No, not that one. Click on the link button there, and then it will open up this insert hyperlink box here. So what I want it to do, I want it again to open up a file. So choose the top one again, existing file. Now you need to find the file. So my file is kept in my desktop area, so I'm going to choose desktop, and it's a PowerPoint document. So here is another video I did. So the 5 secrets of the PS5, which I did previously. Check out that video, it's on my YouTube channel. So this time you do the same thing again. Keep your hand on the control button and on the keyboard, and left click on the mouse. Once you do that, it will go away and it will open up that file for you. So one more time, click on it. Oh, it brings this up. Okay, yeah, just click on yes, and then hopefully it will open up that PowerPoint presentation. There you go. So this is the PowerPoint presentation, and it's opened that up. So that's just 2 ways how to link to a website and how to link to an existing file. Now, to change the style, color, and to remove the underline to your hyperlinks, you obviously need to, under home, you need to go across to the styles section here, and you'll need to play around with changing the style of your hyperlink. So at the moment my style is defaulted to the blue font, and then there is an underline to your hyperlinks. To change the style, highlight your writing, and then you can play around with looking at the different styles that are on here at the moment. These are some styles I've created before, so you can choose that one. That's not a very good one, so you can choose a different one here. You can see that the style of my hyperlink has changed. The font and the color of my hyperlink has changed there, and then you can play around. That's the green style I created earlier, and you can see that my hyperlink is now green. And you can do the same here. Choose the style you want. Nothing much has happened there. Let me try this again. Let me choose that one. That's green again there. So it gives you an idea what you can do by using the styles or the default style. So that's the intent style there. So the hyperlinks, your hyperlinks will show up like that. Now, obviously, playing around with styles, that's a completely different video. To access and change the colors, the font type, the size of the fonts, and make it specific to your hyperlinks, you click on this arrow here under more, go down to create a style. Then what you can do is give that style a name. So I can create it RA Solutions or something, and then click on modify, and then you can play around with this section, change the colors, have it italic, bold, change the font types, change the size of the fonts, make it underlined, and obviously make it specific what you want your style to be based on really here. So check this bit out, and then when you click OK, you can apply the style. That style will show up at the top, and then you can apply that style to whatever text you want it to be applied to. So obviously in this video what I've done is shown you how to add some text, how to link that text to a website, so how to create a hyperlink from that text which links to a website, and how to obviously link some text to a specific file. So when you click on that text, it will link and open up a file, and how to obviously look at changing the style of your hyperlink as well, to change the colors, fonts, so on and so forth of your hyperlinks. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.